Ever wondered what lies at the end of a rainbow? Mia found out one rainy day. Sitting by the window, Mia watched the rain splash on the ground. She felt sad because she couldn't go outside to play. But just as the rain began to stop, a bright, colorful rainbow appeared in the sky. Mia's eyes widened in wonder. "I wonder where that rainbow leads," she thought. Then, as if by magic, a small bridge appeared, connecting her yard to the rainbow. Without thinking twice, Mia stepped onto the rainbow bridge. As she walked, she felt the colors dance around her, tickling her toes and making her giggle. Soon, she found herself in a beautiful land where the flowers sang and the animals danced. Mia met a friendly unicorn named Sparkle, who offered to take her on a ride. Together, they galloped over hills of cotton candy and through fields of jelly beans. Mia had never seen anything so magical. But as the sun began to set, Mia knew it was time to go home. Sparkle gently led her back to the rainbow bridge, and with a wave, Mia returned to her yard, just as the rainbow faded from the sky. Mia smiled, knowing that even though the rainbow was gone, she could always dream about her magical adventure.